Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy, and tonight I'm very excited to listen to this song with you guys. It's called The Weight of Self by Brazen Tongue. So I actually interviewed these guys, and their interview is going to be dropping this week. And I wanted to give you guys a heads up to just get excited for it because this album is freaking incredible, and the interview was awesome. These are just, it's a two-man project, and they're incredible. So buckle up. We're going for a ride. Thank you so much for being here. All right, let's go. Woo, the drums. Great vocals. Oh my god. Great lyrics. Dude, this I listened to the whole album, and it is just a onslaught. It's really good, and I really think y'all gotta check it out. And especially when you just see how awesome these dudes are and their approach to music and everything, it's gonna be a good time. But this is the first song on the record, and I remember when I was like listening to the album and I put it on, I was completely like, "What the?" It's just punchy in your face. The vocals are just so good. Just everything, man. Like, I just love the brutality of it. And I hope that you liked it. Let me know down below and get ready for this interview that we're gonna have. Yeah, I'm freaking hyped. Y'all, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Please go show Brazen Tongue some love if you like this. And if you would want to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram. Come say hi. I appreciate you for being here and taking time out of your day. I know that life can be crazy right now. And, we can be dealing with a lot of crap. Please keep your head up. And please know that somehow you're going to get through it. Reach out and talk to somebody. Talk to me if you need to talk. All right? Stay lovely, stay metal, and until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.